Hello again, Espresso Cyborg here. Today we are cleaning the grounds chamber of our super jolly grinder. This is the second part of a three-part series on rebuilding the grinder. Okay, let's sip some espresso. First remove the grounds hopper, then vacuum out the chamber. Next remove the flat head screw in the middle of the chamber and unscrew the dosing adjustment knob. Easiest way is to press down on the dosing star while turning knob. This gives us access to the dosing star's spring and the outlet gate. Remove the two screws or bolts at the top of the dozer, which holds it to the grinder frame. This allows us to remove the dozer window. Flip the dosing star over and remove the two small screws holding the outlet gate in place. Place the parts in a container and add about half a teaspoon of Purocaff powder or a single tablet, then fill with warm water until it covers the dozer window. We will let that sit for 15 minutes. While waiting, we can clean the bottom of the dosing chamber. You do not have to remove the dosing chamber completely off the grinder unless you have another dozer gasket in case you damage the old one. We will not be replacing the nose spring or the return spring on the very bottom of the dosing chamber. With our parts clean and completely dry, we will reassemble our grinder. The main thing to focus on is getting the outlet gate in the groove when placing the dosing star on the spring in the chamber, then screw on the adjustment knob. Press down on the dosing star to get the adjustment knob on. Place the flat head screw in place, then slide the dozer window into the chamber. Make sure the slots line up so that you can put the top screws back in place. If the top screws are being difficult, loosen the two screws on the bottom of the chamber. Between the dosing stars about 2 complete turns, that should give you plenty of slack to get the top screws into chamber. Now that we have all the screws tightened down, our grinder is ready for action. Thank you for watching.